Hello, I'm Dr. Tina Thomas, obstetrician and gynecologist, Bangalore. In late 40s, premenopausal ladies, there can be the cause of this fungal infection. Itching basically is caused by fungal infection. The pre-period fungal infection causes can be many. One is premenopausal, there is change of vaginal pH to more of a basic nature. So it is more easier for the fungal infection to come in. Basically, there are in the vaginal orifice and around the vulva, there are small amount of fungus which is normally there to protect the vaginal orifice. When these fungus go above the number that is required, that is when it is called fungal infection. Now, when in a premenopausal woman, pre-period, the basic nature, the pH is basic, and hence there is more flourishing of the fungus that is around. So in more sweating or a little unhealthy or traveling or unchanged undergarment, these can give rise to lot of fungal growth there and leading to fungal infection. So fungal infection can be very common to people pre-period. It can be also common in these ladies because of diabetes coming in or other immunosensitive diseases which are there, or immune resistant patients, or it can be part of their lifestyle. Pre-period there are releases of hormones, so all that can be part of it, but the most common reason is because the change in the basic pH of the vaginal and the vulval region.